Just came home from a buffet. Let's eat Buldak noodles.
This is hitting the spot, y'all. Last bite.
We got a loaded Buldak today. Rice cakes. We also have dumplings. First bite for you. The perfect bite. Y'all, I forgot my lemon. No. Y'all, I don't know why I stopped adding green onion, but this is so freaking good with the green onions. I'm not even joking. It like adds another flavor. Wow. The last of the nudes. Last rice cake. It's my last bite.
I think out of all the spicy ramens, this one is my favorite, the carbonara one. It's a little bit more sweet than the other ones, which helps balance out the spiciness. I can eat this one, whole bag, no issue. Other ones, issue. This one, not too spicy. Alone. Or you can make like, spring rolls with it.
Stew type Buldak and sausage. Sour cream.
What's happening? Let's play a game. Team Spies or No Spy? Comment below.
Dave's hot chicken and Buldak mukbang. Mott stick. Hot chicken tender. Regular ranch. Reaper ranch. French fries.
For dinner today, we have leftover Wingstop and Buldak. But before we get started, you already know we have to quickly prepare our drink. And you know we got the Wingstop Ranch. My gosh, you guys, that first bite was actually insane. This one's original hot. You already know original hot and lemon pepper are my two go-to flavors with Buldak. Alrighty guys, we're on our last tender. And let's go ahead and get into our last bite. And of course, you already know we have to wash all this goodness down with our drink.
It's too tight.
I added some mozzarella cheese and enoki mushroom in here. Let's eat Buldak ramen. So good. Gotta have my fish balls. the perfect bite.
Buldak Mukbang. It's steaming. Have a bite. It's hot. So don't say it looks cold, because I know you're lying. I was looking at my analytics today, and it's showing me that the majority of you are girls. So and I'm only mentioning that because the only reason I feel comfortable saying this online is because the majority of you are girls. And so I'm just going to say that this Buldak is hitting different tonight because it's that time of the month. I wouldn't say that I'm like a sweets girl. I'm more of a salty girl. So when it comes to that time of the month, these are like the type of things I want. I'm never one to like crave chocolate. This was all absolutely delicious.
Let's eat some more Buldak. We've got pork dumplings, a hot dog, and a boiled egg. This is the carbonara flavor. It's been a minute since I've had these. By a minute, I mean like a week. It's a pretty good hot dog. Got some pork dumplings. Let's get into this egg over here. I also added green onion on top of this. This is so delicious. Definitely gonna have to keep this in rotation. I never want to eat Buldak again without these little Takis. Crushed and sprinkled on top is the way to go. 10 out of 10.
Always crave late night ramen, but when I do, this is the move. Came me out, right? It's you're me at the gym days. Yell at me.
Long time no see, guys. Today we're eating the taco Buldak noodles. First bite, bless. Is this a rare flavor? Taco flavor is very subtle. So soft now.
Buldak ramen with homemade dumplings. First bite.
For me, when I like my ramen, I like it a little al dente, so it's kind of like hard. It's undercooked. See, I don't know, it is cooked, but I like it a little bit more firm and stringy. No, no, do I the 17-year-old son in the face. See, I know a good friend, truly.
Spicy, cheesy noodles.
You just slurp
She's
it.
trying Buldak for the first time.
The fancy, famous.
Okay, ready?
Cheers.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
There's
want
that
the color.
spice.
I can see why you crave this.
Yep.
Like,
So creamy, so like just yummy.
can you pick it up like this?
Mm-hmm.
This is so fancy the way she cuts them. Makes them taste better.
If the eggs were soft boiled, I messed the eggs up. They're supposed to be soft boiled.
I think they're gonna be great.
Want to show your ramen? Yay! She's got
Mine's not
carbonara.
spicy.
Yeah, we put like a splash of the sauce packet in. We did half of the sauce packet because she was trying it for the first time.
It's the
And
perfect amount of spice.
my mom's got a Caesar salad with egg, chicken,
Broccoli.
and broccoli.
Like, I love it.
My hat.
You said it's only good if it's hot, but this is like really good and it's warm.
So imagine it when it's hot. Did you try a pot sticker?
I did,
Do you
and
like
I was
them?
gonna say,
let me know.
even though you didn't hand make them, they're very good.
We like these ones from Costco though.
Yeah, really good. Knocks like the insides of them.
Oh yeah.
Yummy.
The surgeon said that's not normal that the teeth are moving like that. He said it's not a bone problem and that the orthodontist should take a look at it. And I was like, what? We shall find out tomorrow what's happening with his teeth.
I got Buldak and seafood, some limon. Y'all can have the first. Cheers. Mussels, some limon. More limon. Head on shrimp. Y'all can have this bite. Shrimp, Buldak, some limon. The Buldak is so good with the seafood sauce, and my seafood sauce is spicy. Y'all, look at these perfect mussels. Stunning. I had to turn my freaking light down because I was looking a little mussel, another mussel, limon, the Buldak. last bite the best bite. The muscle, y'all.
Dumpling. And cheers.
Does anyone else have a really hard time with spicy food? But the taste is so addicting and you're so used to it now, you keep eating it knowing that it's not good for you. Yeah, not me.
Let's eat an onion boil and some cheesy ramen. It's a little spicy, actually. I put the whole sauce packet this time, so. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to attack this onion, but I kind of just peeled one layer off, so. That's actually so good. Onions are one of my favorite foods, so, you know. Of course, I'm gonna love this. I'm so happy I made an onion boil. I've never made one before. Just try to get a little scoop in there. I could have boiled my onion for a little bit longer, guys. But I did already boil it for an hour and a half, so just a little bit like too crunchy, I feel like. I rate this like an 8 out of 10. It was a little spicy, and I think I should